Hi everyone, welcome back to Beyond Infinity. Today I'll guide you through writing and executing your first Java program. Let's get started. First, open your favorite text editor or IDE and create a new file and name it as helloworld.java and click on Save. Now, type the following code into your file class hello world public static void main string of arguments. System.out.println hello world. Here's a quick breakdown of the code. Class hello world defines the class. The file name should match the class name exactly. Public static void main string of arguments is the entry point of any Java application. This is where the program starts running. System.out.println hello world prints the text hello world to the console. It is a display statement. Now it's time to compile a program. Go to the command prompt and type the command javac space hello world dot java and click on enter. Now the program is compiled successfully. Now finally it's time to run the program. In the same command prompt, type this command java space hello world and there you have it. Your program runs and prints hello world to the console. You have just written and executed your first Java program. Don't worry if this seems confusing right now. The purpose of this program is just to show you how Java program works. As we go deep into the Java, each part of this code will become clear and easy to understand. For now, just know that this program prints hello world on the screen. If you enjoy this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more beginner-friendly programming content. See you back in the next video. Thank you.